this is Karen, and in this video I want to tell you about a new art challenge. Friend Diane and I are making planters out of bottles and found objects.
Please, this is our story to tell.
Hi, Cordo. Go right ahead.
Of course, I am Cordo, and this is the beautiful Ms Botella.
That's right. I began as a milk jug, and Mr. Cordo here started as a handsome apple juice jug.
My dear, you are kind. I was a simple juice bottle. I was covered in mesh, and then the marvelous Pal Tiya made me strong. And then I opened my eyes, soon to see you.
My, for me, I started with that jug. It got covered with newspaper and glue, layer after layer. All right, that looks more like it. Now let's see, where were you in the story, Mr. Cordo?
Happily my hair started to grow out of electrical cords. Then my eyebrows, my mustache. I was very happy.
I completely agree about hair. I feel better with my hair.
Oh gosh, guys. Thanks for telling us the story. Here are your glamour shots together. Diane and I made these head planners for a Trash to Treasure show coming in May. So more art challenges are going to be here on my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye!